Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, the Red Arrows!
That's it, it's all good.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the team pulling up and changing to Diamond 9. Here she is. This is the victory roll. Now, providing the rear of the fuselage of our Spitfire with the white smoke on is Red 7, Flight Lieutenant Dave Montenegro, known to the team as Monte. So, ladies and gentlemen, as they run by now, this is Chevron. Now, Planky, I do. Patriotic red, white and blue go into a steep climb on the left hand side. I can tell you, we call this manoeuvre the steep climb. Now out to the front are reds 6, 7 and 9 flying a manoeuvre called the vortex. Now this is our heart because the cloud base means we can't quite crack it today. Now I would have dedicated the heart to Shirley Orton, but I'm going to dedicate the vortex to her instead. So Shirley, this one's for you. Jump now. This goes to about 300 feet, 800 miles an hour closure. Mission is claim to fame, and Red One's smoke trail makes the mathematical symbol for infinity in the sky, which is why we call this the infinity break. Pilots beneath him need to swing out to the right. It's difficult manoeuvre to fly. Now normally in the Red Arrows, the even numbered aircraft fly on the right hand side formation and the odds are on the left. But as you look at them now, Reds 3 and 5 are on the right and 2 and 4 are on the left. They're on the wrong side. So we have to get them back to the right side, and this is the clever part of the slalom. It takes complete trust and complete coordination between those 5 pilots to make that look like you just saw it, and they did a nice job. The way we reach that level of trust is by 7 months of winter training. So for 7 months we fly 3 times a day, every day, 5 days a week, to reach the standards that you see here today at Rhyl. So ladies and gentlemen, with the red, white and blue smoke coming past us again, this is Ian as they finish off the slalom. So the inside pilots barrel around those on the outside who shuffle up to fill the gap. This is one of their most difficult manoeuvres, and if you ask them how they fly it, they'll probably say they pull the control as hard as they dare. Filming all of our displays is. Hello to you, Phil. Well done for putting up with the weather. Red 9 was just joined on the left hand side. So for the final manoeuvre of the ladies and gentlemen, the very British and the very patriotic Red Arrows.